Hey, it's Ronnie with Schaefer's, and today we're going to show you how to install pedestals on an LG front load washer and dryer. So we'll start with the dryer. We've got the pedestals here. Your brackets for the pedestals are already installed from the factory, so it's a real easy installation. So basically you have brackets that are on the side that you can screw in from the sides. Now you'll see there's also places to screw in on the front and the back, but that you'll use that for the washer. So because if you look at the two peds, they're the exact same. So, but for the dryer, we're just gonna worry about screwing in to the two sides. So first thing we'll do is just lift the dryer on top and make sure the feet go into the feet holes on the pedestal. Just align them into the holes. And then look at the brackets and make sure the holes line up. And then 4 screws. Once they're all screwed in, installation of the pedestal on the dryer will be complete. Now the washer is the same pedestal, but one thing I want to point out that they have a pedestal which is just basically a storage drawer underneath, but LG also makes what they call a washer pedestal, and it's actually a small load washing machine that's built into the pedestal. So if you happen to have one of those, the installation of the wash ped is exact same as their regular pedestal. The only difference is going to be there's water hookups and a drain on the back, just like a regular washing machine. So from that standpoint, it hooks up the same as a regular washer, and from the pedestal standpoint, it'll hook up the same way that these pedestals do. One thing LG does that I wish every manufacturer did is they give you side handles to grab from, so you can go up and lift very easy with your partner. So now we'll use the side handles and go up on top of the pedestal. Once again, aligning the feet into the feet holes. Now, once the washer's on top of the pedestal, remember we have brackets on the front and the back as well as the sides. So we're going to screw it into the sides and also the back. Make sure holes align. And it's the same brackets that'll be on the back. And that then completes the installation of the washer on top of the pedestal for LG, and you're ready to install your hoses.